Okay, I just sent you a couple pictures of it, but here's, I'll do a YouTube of driving up down the street. Like I say, this is a 2008 SXF. The kickstand is an add-on because it didn't come with a kickstand. The SXF doesn't have kickstand. XE had the kickstand. XC had the kickstand. Anyway, battery is all tucked in there nicely. And so let me take it for a spin. You'll be able to see the, let me get my helmet on here. Don't have to wear helmets out here, but I feel safer riding with the helmet on. This is Arizona. So the display, turn the ignition on, you get the display. Its miles per hour aren't real accurate, but it's something, but it gives you the voltage, mainly the 81 volts over there, the bar on that. Tells you what gear you're in. You see we're in mode 3, 2, 1, sport, sport off, reverse. And I'll start out in 1, and you'll see it's really tame. Those can be adjusted very easily, but I put that tame just in case you want to let somebody test ride it or something. Headlight stuff and all is over here. The tail light, the guy changed the plastics, took it with him, so I'll get it back from him and put it back on here. The wiring's right in here for it. Okay, let's take it for a ride and see how this performs. Like I say, it's in mode 1, which is pretty tame, but it gets it down the road. Alright, so now mode 1 pops out right there, boom, boom, nothing. So we'll go to mode 2, mode 3, I think it might be this. That's mode 2, mode 3. And the front end does come up pretty easily on asphalt. Comes up pretty easy. I'm not a good wheelie person, but all the kids can do that now. And you put it in sport mode, which I'm in 4 now, which is even more. And the speedo says 80, but I think it's about 60. The motor has very few hours on it, and the controller are both pretty new. The battery components are all pretty new. I just put the battery together. It's 2 parts. It's 2 20x6 batteries. And you have a mode switch here. I don't know if you can see this, but you can switch battery 1, battery 2. You can run on battery 1 until it drops off the motor. The controller will shut it off. And then you can go to battery 2 and know how you are halfway wherever you are, or you can run them both at the same time all together and just go with it. But it's got plenty of power. I ride this exact combo on the motocross track, and it's fine. Brakes are all standard KTM Brembo, headlights LED, and there are better headlights, but it's pretty good LED. It has high and low beam. Blinkers all work when the tail light's on, and there's blinkers up in the front headlight area. It's a real tame little bike. You can walk along at 1 mile an hour and just talk to somebody if you wanted to, or jump front in, or go as you want. And like I say, it's $3,500. I can throw a couple of tires that have you know, 3 or 4 motos on them. I swap them out quite often. Fortunately, somebody gives them to me, new ones. So, but anyway, like I said, the motor's almost new, has very few hours on it. The controller's in the airbox, very few hours, and the battery's contained inside of here, nice and slim.